in the particular document. Then finally, consequence of the non-filing, non-compliance. So definitely section 47, then we are 122, 138 and read with 162 rule. So what are the consequences possible? Fine and penalty, late fees and interest, then confiscation, the arrest and imprisonment, and unwanted litigation. These are the consequences of the non-compliance of the legal provisions, which is required in the GST. Late fee section 47, interest under section 50 and rule 37, and there may be a possibility your RC may be cancelled for the circumstances as not furnished return, then not furnished return by the composition dealer, take a voluntary decision but not commence the business even after 6 months from date of registration, and registration has been obtained by way of willful misstatement or these things, or any violation on account of the legal provisions of GST. So these are the possibilities of the cancellation if we are not properly adhering to the provisions of GST system. Then penalty. So the section 122 categorize each and every penalty for each and every offence committed or each and every non-compliances. It also categorizes for the registered person and unregistered person and also co-offenders. All the three categories, they were categorically mentioned. What is the fine, penalty for each and every violations of the provisions of law. The provisions make also the lower, it is a higher 10,000 rupees, but at times it may be equal to the tax evaded, which is nothing but 200%, 100% of the tax. So this is the penal consequence on account of the non-compliance. Then litigations. So if you are not properly assessing, not complying the provisions, which means which on account of the assessment related or non-submission related, then action can be initiated under section 73 or 74 or 75. 73, non-suppression of cases. 74, where there is a suppression. 75, where you collected the tax but you are not paid the tax at all. So there it is also possible litigations. Arrest. So there is a provision for under 132, there may be arrest also possible if the evasion is more than 5 crores. So there is a reasons also. Taxable person supplies goods without any invoices, false declarations, any invoice without supply or goods in violation of provisions, collects but does not pay the taxes within for 3 months. Even if collects the contravenes of provisions, then already convicted. All these things are land up you for your arrest and imprisonment.